In the last several years, wildfires have run rampant across western and southwestern America. In Malibu, California, catastrophic wildfires broke out in late 2018. This was a dangerous and scary time for people all over Southern California, as people had to evacuate their homes, many of which were burnt to the ground. The increase in high-intensity wildfires comes from climate change as well as bad land management practices. Malibu is also still at a threat for more wildfires in the future. Malibu is located in the wildland-urban interface. This is an area where human development merges with forest and other vegetation. When these land cover changes occur, it makes the area much more susceptible to wildfires. There are many things residents of Malibu can do to be prepared for more inevitable wildfires in the future. The main step is to be prepared. This includes having emergency kits ready for a quick evacuation if necessary with food, water, and/or medication. When a wildfire is quickly spreading, there is no time to pack a bag. They need to be ready to go at any time. The city of Malibu also does weekly progress reports to look at the forecasted fire conditions for the near future. The city also has a mass evacuation plan in the event of an emergency.